Good morning. I just finished feeding these guys. They're getting their tummies filled. Look at the amount of poop in there. It's one night. When we came home yesterday, we moved them. I just wanted to show you. This is half a day's worth of poo. And then this is a full day's worth of poo. This is why having a chicken tractor is absolutely necessary for these kind of birds, because they poop a lot. There's a lot of poop for one day. So it's half a day's poop right there, which is, the grass looked like this. Went from this to that in half a day.